You know, success isn't just about talent or luck. It's about showing up day after day, even when things get tough. The road to your goals will always have obstacles. That there's a worst kept secret in the world. But it's the relentless drive to keep going that sets you apart. When challenges arise, remember why you started in the first place. Know that every setback is just a setup for a comeback, as they say. So stay focused, stay determined, and keep pushing forward, because your breakthrough is often just one step beyond where most people give up. And don't forget, consistency beats intensity, and persistence turns your dreams into reality. So don't stop now, man. You're closer than you think. Be persistent, because persistence is your superpower. Keep on pushing.